Hey, what's up, Bittorrent token holders? How are you? Hope you're fine now, my friends. This is the big news of Bittorrent token. What's the current price of BTT token? What's the price in token the Bittorrent in this video? I will share all updates of the Bittorrent. You have to just keep watching this video and make sure to subscribe ABS channel for more news and updates videos. If you subscribe my channel, so you will never miss any updates of cryptocurrencies market, my friends. First of all, if we look the latest price update of the Bitcoin tokens, so the currently latest price of the BTT Bittorrent is 0.002623 USD dollar is the currently latest price of the Bittorrent. Furthermore, if we talk about more about the Bittorrent token price changes, so the last 1 hour price change is negative. You can see here the last 1 hour price change is negative 1.91%, and the last 1 week price change occur in the Bitcoin is negative. So only the last 1 day, only the last 24 hours pricing is positive. That's mean that yesterday the price of BTT token start pumping. The price of the BTT increased in the last 60 minutes, but unfortunately now the currently latest situation, the last 60-minute price situation is again going negative. You can see here, my friends, if you look the price chart of the Bitcoin token, so it is time the price pump. And as I told you, my friends, that in the last 60 minutes the price is going to decrease. So when I see the falls of Bitcoin token, so I'm not disappointed. And I know the future of Bitcoin token is bright. I believe that Bitcoin token will take a huge pump in the last half month. In the last half month, there is a higher possibilities to the price increase. So wait. If you want profit from a Bitcoin, you have to wait, my friends. Now the last 1 hour, last 24 hours price in of Bitcoin token is positive 5.82%, and the highest price of the Bitcoin token in the last 1 day is 0.002702 USD dollar. That is the highest price of the Bitcoin in the last 24 hours. My prediction is positive about Bitcoin token, and I predicated that Bitcoin token will take a huge pump in the last half this month. Anyways, what is your opinion? What is your prediction about Bitcoin? Please also share in the comment box, and don't forget to subscribe ABS Tech channel for more news and updates videos.